Hi, this is Brian with Paradise Arcade. I just wanted to show people, I got a few questions about how easy is it to install a Magenta. So I grabbed a TE2 and I thought I'd show you guys how easy it is to put in here. So basically, I started this project out a little bit. I have the screws for this kind of sitting over here, and I've got the Magenta over here, but you can kind of see the main thing. So I've undone the screws so that it's easy to pull the JLF out. So we take the JLF out, disconnect the harness. We can take the shaft cover and the washer there. We take our Magenta. We simply drop the washer on because you're going to need that in place after you fasten it up here. And then what we can do is just start, I'll put 2 of the screws back in, just that way it's not taking up too much time here. I can show you how easy this is to do. So if you watched the first video, you will have seen a spot where I mentioned that there were 2 power headers, and they're located right here on the Magenta, kind of up towards the top. A little hard to see with the angle that it's at right now, but you can see that they are right here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to reconnect the JLF harness, which is here, which is a JST NH. We're going to reconnect that into the Magenta. And then this power cable that comes with the Magenta setup, we're going to simply plug it into either one of these 2 power connectors. Okay, now I've taken the screws out of this base here on the TE2. So what you can do is lift this up. And if you look underneath here, I've left all of the wires and cables in place. You're going to see a green board. And you just pass this power cable down through the slot where the button wires go. Now that we're down in here, there is one 3-pin connector that is not connected. If you have the KI stick, this will have the LED board going to it. If you don't have the KI stick, it's open. Also, if you happen to have the LVT3 installed, the installation is a little different. But if it's just a native TE2, all you do is plug that into there. You basically put this board back down on. Now, I would tie these wires up with some wire ties, but at this point, you have the Magenta installed into a TE2. It really is that simple. So thanks for watching. Hope to have a lot more videos on installations for different sticks and show people kind of what's going on. Of a side note also, the shaft covers for the JLF were made to fit the TE2. So if you want to use your original shaft covers, there you go. All right, everybody. Have a great time. Thanks for watching.